Hey guys, Jason here for TheChartGuys taking a look at gold. The big story today is the setting of this new lower high on the daily time frame. We knew that we were in a little bit of trouble when we pulled back from 1556 and we broke the support at 1492. What that does is it changes that overall daily uptrend that we've had and opens the door for a situation like this where we get a lower high on the daily. It's great that we got this nice bounce. We've had a few days of solid run, but now we've pulled back in a pretty substantial way, really locking in that 1535 level as a lower high. So now what we need to do is pay close attention to what happens when we get down to 1483.06, if and when we get there, but it looks like we got quite a bit of momentum so far. That is the key level for us to watch. Lose that and we don't have any daily support until 1430, so keeping a close eye on what happens there. On the 4-hour time frame, big drop, not oversold yet, but seeing a little consolidation, likely going to be oversold on the hourly time frame. We do have 4-hour support right at 1498.55. If we lose that, then really the next drop is going to be to 1483. There's a little bit of support there, but not a heck of a lot. RSI 39.01. If we go to the hourly time frame, this is where we get oversold. We're deep oversold at 20. This is where we see these hourly bulls trying to get some sort of strength here, but it's more so that the bears are running out of steam rather than the bulls have shown up. This is why we're going slightly sideways, getting these nice inside bars, and it looks like the last one was a failed bull break, and now we're just seeing some chop. So on the hourly time frame, paying close attention to 1500. Yet again, that number comes up as a key level for us. 1500 seems to be the psychological thing that we keep talking about over and over and over again. It really stands out, at least in my memory in these videos. So watching that very, very closely. If we go to the 15-minute time frame, we'll try and get an idea of what's going on. Looks like a little bit of an equilibrium. 1500, 1507, 1500 again, and then 1505. Currently pulling back from that, watching out for that EMA 12. So if bulls are going to do anything with this, they need to get a breakout of this equilibrium that's set up. They need to get over EMA 12, and they need to start setting some higher highs and higher lows on the hourly time frame. What that will look like is going to be a nice breakout of this, come up hopefully, and you know what, don't even worry about getting rejected from EMA 12. That will still get us that new higher low that we need, at least out of this breakout. Then we need a higher low over that 1500 level and start climbing out of this little bit of pit of despair on the hourly time frame. So that's what we're looking for right now. Bears in control, consolidating currently. Bulls have an opportunity to step in. Should they do that, they need to do it rather quickly because we are looking at a break of this 15-minute EQ and not a lot of daily support between here and 1483.